President Bongbong Marcos sided with the bicameral committee's decision of stripping PhilHealth's subsidy. His sister, Senator Amy Marcos, urged him to scrutinize the approved budget before signing it. Here's a report.
The bicameral committee's decision to remove subsidy for PhilHealth in next year's budget was met with uproar. Some senators like Chivy Ejercito and Risa Ontiveros said this is illegal and unconstitutional. Meanwhile, Senate President Cheese Escudero justified this move as a quote-unquote lecture for PhilHealth's supposed mismanagement of funds. For his part, President Bongbong Marcos sided with the bicameral committee. The president noted that PhilHealth has a surplus of reserve funds. Out of its 500 billion pesos reserve funds, PhilHealth only spent 260 billion pesos last year.
I know na naaabala ang tao because bakit natin binawasan? Dahil ang katotohanan dyan ay kung tignan ninyo, kaya binawi ng Department of Finance yung ilang reserve na naman doon na naiwan dahil hindi nagamit yun ng ilang taon. In other words, the PhilHealth has sufficient budget to do all of the things that they want to do.
PBBM added that PhilHealth has a problem with their management.
The reason why is that we do not want to subsidize it is because it is the subsidy will lang doon sa bank account ng PhilHealth, hindi magagamit. Eh marami tayong paggagamitan noon. So that's a simple explanation there.
His sister, Senator Amy Marcos, opposed the removal of PhilHealth subsidy. She urged his brother to scrutinize the national budget proposal before signing it.
Sinusuway ka na ng mga ilang tao na akala mo siguro makakabuti para sa atin at para sa bayan. Pero nakita naman natin na eto nga at nakikiusap ako na sana pakitutukan mo ang issue ng pondo at ng budget at ipaalala na ang pakikialam ng mga mambabatas sa departamento at mga sangay ng gobyerno ay labag sa batas at labag sa konsensya ng tao.
Senator Marcos added that she will not sign the BICAM report.
Hindi ako kailanman pumirma ng anumang papel hinggil sa budget ng 2025 o sa BICAM report na yan na nagsusulong na magbawas ng pera sa mga lehitimong proyekto. Paano ko naman pipirmahan ang blankong papel?
Meanwhile, President Marcos vowed to restore the 10 billion pesos slash from the Education Department's budget proposal. The BICAM committee removed this amount from DepEd's budget due to the delayed procurement under its computerization program.
So we're working on it to make sure that we will restore it. I do not want to line item veto anything because that just gets in the way.
PBBM aims to sign the 2025 proposed budget before Christmas.